Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to show a specific image when selecting a product variant in Hostinger website builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, go to hpanel.hostinger.com, log into your Hostinger account, and then go to websites. And next to the website that you want to start showing specific images when selecting a product variant on, click on this Manage Store button to go straight to the store management area instead of the website builder. Now click on Products. Now click on the product or open the products you want to edit. As you see, this is my product. It's a headphone product. Let's view it live. And this is the product right now. And first I will create new variations for. So I will scroll down to options. This is it. Click on the add option button. Give your first variation a name. For example, let's start with the color, and then name the first variation, for example, or the first option of the variation, for example, white, and then click on add new, and I will go with black. Now that I finished or I filled the options of the first variation of the first color variation, click on save. And now I have this new table. Okay, before adding since this is a video about how to show specific images when a product variant is selected, now click on this little pen and pick the correct photo that you want to link or to show for this specific variant. So since this is a white variant, I will pick this white photo. And if the photo that you want to link does not show up here, this means that you need to first add it from this add media button. Click on image. Here let's continue our work, and then I will try to show a video when a product variant is selected. Okay, now let's pick the black photo for the black variant. Okay, click on save. Now my new product variants and photos are saved but are not published online. To publish them, click on publish in editor. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my online course about Hostinger website builder today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger website builder, how to choose and customize your template, how to master page and navigation design, also design pages and add-in content, building specific page types, blogging with Hostinger builder, create an online store, forms in general, emails and integrations, advanced features and design enhancement, SEO, analytics and tracking tools, backup and cloning maintenance, and also final touches and optimization. To get all of this today for free, plus my other free online courses, which are Google Sites, Google Search Console, Brevo email marketing, Bluehost web hosting, Hostinger web hosting, Hostinger WordPress, and also Hostinger email today for free, simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue this tutorial. Now my new product variants and photos are saved but are not published online. To publish them, click on publish in editor and update your website. Now that my website is updated, let's view it live, or instead of view it live, let's update this, or let's refresh this page. And just like that, the first variation or the color variation is shown. And when I pick a product variant, as you see, the correct photo shows up. Now let's see how, instead of a photo, how to show a YouTube video when a product variant is selected. So for this, I will go to YouTube. This is my YouTube video link, so I will copy it, Go back to the store management area, go to products, open the same. Okay, then first I will add my YouTube video here, past, click on save. And now let's see if I can select it from here. First, let's save this change, open it again, go to the option, click on the little pen. As you see, unfortunately, I can't pick a YouTube video. And with this is how to pick or show or display a specific photo of when a product variant is selected on Hostinger website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.